In this video, I want to discuss how to simplify rational expressions. All right, you may recall how to reduce fractions. For example, if we had 45 over 60, we could keep dividing the top and bottom by the same number until we couldn't do it anymore. For example, let's divide the top and bottom by 5. That would give 9 over 12. Okay, now let's divide the top and bottom by 3. That gives 3 over 4, and we can't do any more division of the same number. So that is as far as we can get. So 3 over 4 is the reduced version of 45 over 60. Okay, with rational expressions, it's a similar idea. It's just that it's going to involve variables. So for example, 14 over x squared, 10x cubed. Let's divide the top and bottom by 2. So that would give 7x squared over 5x cubed. Now let's divide the top and bottom by x. So that would give 7x over 5x squared. And let's divide the top and bottom by another x, 7 over 5x. And that's as far as we could go. Okay? Now, I've done it in multiple steps. Of course, you could have from the beginning divided the top and bottom by 2x squared. If you notice that was the biggest expression that would work. All right? Now here's another example. 5a minus 15 all over 4a minus 12. What's different about this one is for this one, the top and bottom are not factored. It'll turn out that you will always want to factor rational expressions before you try to simplify them. Watch this. If I factored the top, and then I factored the bottom, okay, now we're allowed to divide the top and bottom by the binomial a minus 3, and so that reduces to 5 over 4. Okay? Now, let's close this video by having you do some examples. Would you please simplify the following? Minus 8x squared all over 6x to the 4. And how about a plus b all over a squared minus b squared? Pause the video and try to simplify those, please. All right, so for the first example, I would divide the top and bottom by 2x squared, so that would give minus 4 over 3x squared. You may have taken more steps to get there, okay? And for the second example, I would notice that I need to factor first, so let's do that. All right, and so now we can divide the top and bottom by a plus b, and that will leave 1 over a minus b as the final answer.